Let's now look at the graph of the cosine of an angle. So we're going to construct this the same way that we would construct sine. So let's think about what the cosine of 0 is. And the cosine of 0 is 1. So I have a point starting now up on the y-axis. The cosine of pi over 6 is the square root of 3 over 2, and that's about that's 1/2, is about 0.866. The cosine of pi over 4 is about 0.7. And the cosine of pi over 3 is about 1/2. The cosine of pi over 2 is 0. And now we have cosine in angles in the second quadrant, and cosine is negative in the second quadrant. So we are going to dip below the x-axis here to graph the next portion. So the cosine of pi over 3 is going to be negative 1/2. The cosine of 3 pi over 4 is going to be negative 0.707. The cosine of 5 pi over 6 is going to be negative 0.866. And the cosine of pi is negative 1. Cosine is also negative in the third quadrant. However, cosine is going to be positive in the fourth. So if we were to extend this graph, we have cosine positive in the first quadrant, negative in the second quadrant to get to pi, negative in the third quadrant to get to pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, and then positive again to get us back to 2 pi. So it has a same hill and valley picture as the sine graph does, but it now starts up at 1. So cosine starts at 1 and goes down. And just like the sine graph, this is only one portion of a cosine graph because this is one way around our circle from 0 to 2 pi. We start at 1, go down, but then we can have lots of coterminal angles. So we're going to just have that motion over and over and over again, and the graph of cosine starts up at 1 and then can go on forever.